Alright, so let's try that again. So, yeah, I heard it. It's gonna be coming down one of these tracks. Gates over there. What sound is that? Something's definitely wrong with that white car, I will say. I think I hear the wheels turning on the tracks. I can hear the motors, but almost propane. Okay, I see very often. There's the engine. What track is this coming down on? Because it's starting to. Starting to make me wonder what the heck is going on. Because although I do understand the turns. Oh, here it comes on this side, and it's coming down on this side. This side over here, and no way. There's a couple of CN trains on this engine. No way. I have never seen anything CN in Norfolk Southern. What is this? This is just what? No way. No way. Wow, this thing's got a lot of engines. Wow, that's a lot of. That is a heck of a lot of engines. Holy moly, you got some CN ones. Norfolk Southern. I've never seen Norfolk Southern or Canadian National before. I've actually never seen those, other than on videos. Wow. Now that's definitely a train, I must say. That's a lot of engines. Holy moly. Those are new engines? Okay then. And this is probably expecting to manifest because of all these, because it's a mixed freight, and there's all the different graffiti. Yep, there's all this. Alright, so I've never seen anything quite like this. Now it's just tanker cars. Wonder what else is coming through. Wonder what else is coming through. I don't know. This is my first ever time doing some rail fanning. Wow, would you look at that? There's starting to become some traffic. Just some cars stopped because of the train. These freight trains I've barely ever seen. Long freight trains. And okay, so we're done with the well, maybe not, but kind of done with the those cars, the tankers. And hold on, let me just check. Okay, 30%. Okay, but wow, that is just amazing. Absolutely insane. Never seen anything Canadian, and I've never seen anything Norfolk Southern, I don't think. Well, there was that one time, but I don't think that was Norfolk Southern. I think that was just bad lighting. And, yep. Here's the coil cars, CSX. Freight cars I'm not really paid that much attention to, because, well, they're not as, let's be honest, they're not as interesting as, say, the locomotives are. Those are what really interest me. What do you think about it, huh, Katie? Yeah. What do you think about it, Texas? Huh? Definitely just, wow. Forge. What Forge are you talking about? Oh, man. Wow. So, that was the train. That is just a mammoth freight train. Wow. Yeah, truck. And wow. comes some more cars. I believe those are like flat cars. I forgot what kind of flat cars those are. So we have the center beams, or yeah, those are center beams, the ones with those steel things on them. Tropicana, well not Tropicana, but it's a refrigerator box car. So those ones right there, I don't know what those are. Center beam, that's center beam, those are, I forgot what they call them, dang it. Alright, we're gonna stop.